Care worker recruitment requirement. What you need to know. Before you can sponsor a care worker or senior care worker to work in England, you'll usually need to follow a specific process. This is called the care worker recruitment requirement. Here's when it applies. 1. You want to sponsor a care worker under Occupation Code 6135 or a senior care worker under Code 6136. 2. You assign a Certificate of Sponsorship or COS on or after 9 April 2025. 3. The worker will be working in England only. 4. The worker is outside the UK or is in the UK but doesn't meet certain exceptions. So what do you need to do? First, contact your local regional care partnership. They'll give you contact details for displaced workers. These are care workers already in the UK who need new sponsorship. You must consider these workers for your vacancy. That means reviewing their experience, qualifications, or even interviewing them. It's your responsibility to assess if they're suitable for the role, not the partnership's. And don't forget, you must keep evidence of how you decided the person you hired was suitable. Check Appendix D of the sponsor guidance for details on what to keep. Let's clarify some terms. 1. Regional Care Partnership. This is a local group set up to help prevent exploitation in international care recruitment. 1. You can find their contact details in the official guidance. 2. Displaced Worker Pool. This is a list of care workers in the UK who were last sponsored under occupation codes 6135 or 6136 and now need new sponsorship. Maybe because their previous sponsor lost its license or couldn't offer enough work. There are some exceptions to this requirement. You don't need to follow the recruitment process if 1. The worker is in the UK and was last granted permission as a skilled worker under the relevant occupation codes, whether they're changing sponsor or staying with the same one. 2. The worker is already legally working for you as a care worker or senior care worker and has been in that role for at least 3 months on another immigration route. But remember, these exceptions don't apply if the worker is outside the UK or if the job isn't entirely in England. If an exception applies, make sure you explain this when you assign the COS. You can do this in the job description field or by adding a sponsor note after assigning the COS. If you don't, the worker's application could be refused. That's a quick overview of the care worker recruitment requirement for sponsors in England. For more details, check the official guidance linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on immigration and employment law. This video is for information purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For advice tailored to your situation, consult a qualified lawyer. Tan Law Solicitors can help. Contact us.